Anuja, Ashpita, Bhavatani and Anish Kumar is going to explain the DT-based approach on student study planner in terms of machine learning process. First, the Anish Kumar will explain what is a DT-based approach. We have the 5 stages of DT-based. So, what are all the 5 stages in designing DT approach?
Okay, so in the 5 stages of the DT, that are empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. In this, we analyze the problem, we go into the user's point of view, analyze the problems, and we extract all the important problems and we prepare a solution for the problems. And then we will create a model or a solution for that, and we will implement and test the solution. And if needed, we can correct the solution and modify it accordingly. So let me start with the empathy. So as a student point of view, if we see, we face several problems while studying or preparation for exams or any academics. So the problems include lack of understanding of the topics and severity of the content, and sometimes we know all the contents and all, but we don't know where to start from. And also in several cases we have the problem like we know the solution of and answer of the question, but we don't know how to expand it deeply or write it in exam point of view. So in that condition, we need an AI-based solution or ML-based solution that enables us to learn accordingly for exam-based point of view, and it will enable the student to get motivated and prepare for the exam purposely. So we will create an ML-based model which helps the student, each and every student, to prepare particularly for the exam and also for other types of preparation.
Okay, next thing is define. So define in the sense going more deeper into the problem statement. Here the problem statement is the students need some smart system to manage their study time and prioritize their task management. So as per it, so this highlights the key challenges faced by the students. Mainly the difficulty in organizing the tasks, managing deadlines and the balancing subjects. Also more important in complexity of learning what to learn. Also we can create strong foundations for designing a solution. So these are the few major problems. So for this, from the machine learning perspective, the problems is framed in the terms of inputs and outputs. So here the input is like task, deadlines and difficult levels and possible study preferences. So the output, what we are expecting is an optimized and personalized study schedule. So here this transforms are very important because it allows to treat the problems as per the data driven systems where the patterns can be learned, and also it the predictions can be made easier. So along with this, the system can generate more efficient and gives the proper schedule to the students.
The next comes ideate part. So ideate is defined as the possible way of outcomes, the thinking process of outcome. So first in this stage we are generating a creative solutions to solve this problem. So first we brainstorm different ideas such as a smart study planner and automatic timetable generation, a priority based task according to our needs, and remember the notifications according to. So after analyzing these ideas, we have to choose the best solution, that is an AI-based study planner. So which is the system which concepts based on the machine learning. So understand the student behavior, how the student is, and analyzing the subjects and deadlines and difficulty levels, how they are handling, and suggest the personality study schedules according to their needs. So the main goal is to make the studying more easier and more important for organized way and less stressful for the students.
So the next comes the prototype stage. In the prototype stage, we turn our idea into one simple working model. So in this stage, we don't need to build a full application. Instead, we give in a simple demo model. So in this, for example, we can create a simple app or chatbot where the students enter their subject, task, deadlines and available study times. So the machine learning model then process the input and organize all the tasks and gives the priority based and schedule the study planner. So this prototype may not be perfect, but this helps us the students to make a solution and fix the improvement.
So in the test stage, I would like to test that how well it's working. Like we ask a group of students to use our system and provide the feedback for us. So that in the testing stage we ask questions like if the planner is easy to use and all the suggested schedules is correct and does it actually help students to manage their study plan. So this checks the usability, accuracy and effectiveness of the study planner. So we also analyze that the students complete tasks on time, if the status of the students were reduced or not, and how often users follow the suggested plan. So in machine learning, testing also includes checking the model's performance and then measuring the prediction accuracy. And if students face issues like wrong prioritization, overloaded schedules, we refine the system and update the system according to the user's feedback.